call on our Honorable Vice Mayor Attorney Angela Goying to present and to read the city resolution to the Dominican College has become officially a heritage site here in San Juan City. And we will also ask as well our district councilors, together with Mayor Frankie Zamora and Congresswoman Belle Zamora, to present the city resolution to the Dominican College. And also please welcome the people from Dominican College, Sister Rosalinda Calong, Order of Preacher Directress, Miss Maria.
Isang magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Sa ngalan po ng ating mahal na Mayor Francis Zamora, maitulutan niyo po akong basahin ang resolusyon ng pagkilala sa Dominican College. Ito po ay City Resolution number 82, Series of 2024, a resolution recognizing Dominican College as the first centenarian educational institution situated in the city of San Juan, and congratulating the same for its 100th founding anniversary. Tawagin po natin sila. Whereas, Dominican College is a Catholic school founded in 1924, situated at 179 F. Blumentritt Street, Barangay Timagan, City of San Juan. The educational institution is a marked milestone in the evangelization task of the first Dominican sisters who came to the Philippines in the early 1920s. The Dominican sisters worked as volunteer teachers in a small school run by the Dominican friars, and classes were catechetical in nature. The Dominican sisters remained true to their word in assisting the Filipinos in the development of a strong spiritual life, later responded to the request from families in the neighborhood to expand the school's curriculum. The school was initially known as Academia de Santa Catalina until after World War II in 1941, then changed its name to Colegio de Jesus Maria in 1947. In 1996, the Dominican Congregational Statute officially named all Congregational run schools, thus its former name was changed to Dominican College. Contemplate and share with others the fruits of your contemplation is the educational advocacy embraced by Dominican College. It stresses the need for every Dominican to be not only a man of prayer, but a man of study as well. The Dominican College has grown and flourished over the last century and is continuously encouraging and captivating students, learning alongside the students, fostering leadership, and inspiring civic engagement. At present, the institution achieved its level 2 accreditation status from the PASCU as a result of its efforts to strengthen its quality of education and improve its services and operations. The Dominican College, while having changed and grown its structure over the last century, maintains the progressive vision of shepherding the young for them to become a true Catholic, Filipino, Dominican stalwarts of not only the Philippines, but the global community as well. Now, therefore, be it resolved, as it is hereby resolved, by the Sangguniang Pangsod of the City of San Juan, Metro Manila, in a session duly assembled, hereby recognizes Dominican College as the first centenarian educational institution situated in the City of San Juan, and congratulates the same on its 100th founding anniversary. Resolved further that a copy of this resolution be furnished to the School Administrator of Dominican College, City Culture and Tourism Affairs Office, the Public Information Department, and other departments concerned for their information and dissemination. Ito po ay sponsored ng lahat ng ating mga konsehal at pinirmahan ko ng mga kagalang-galang na konsehal Rolando Bernardo, Bea de Guzman Cabatbat, Raisa Laurel Suliano, at co-sponsor din na konsehal Don Aliato, Paul Anthony Artadi, Ryan Llanos Lee, Ismael R. Matay, Kit R. Peralta, Lorenzo Italiana Yam, John Irving Viandre, James Carlos Yam, Herbert Chua, at Francine Alexandria Hill. Ito po ay sinertipika rin na aprobado ng Sangguniang Panlungsod ni Ria Estrella Padilla, ang ating Secretary ng Sangguniang Panlungsod, at attested po ng inyong lingkod, ang inyong pangalawang punong lungsod, Angelo Agnowili, at adopted and approved po ng ating mahal na Mayor, Francisco Javier M. Zamora. Congratulations po sa Dominican College. Congratulations po at mabuhay ang Dominican College!
Congratulations, Dominican College, and thank you very much, Vice Mayor Angela Guili, for presenting and reading the city resolution for the Dominican College.